scheme some scheme. So abantu nabo mabangibona scheme. So dideng gcine ngasasiyime ngibiza abantu scheme.
Yabuyela kowena.
Then later ngata mina awuthi ngeke ngiqale ukuyihlakaniphela lento. Let's convert this thing into a brand.
Sure.
So I came with the formidable force manje ngathi no, ithi ngifake uGP. Now this GP is representing the Gauteng province. Abanye GP gangster, abanye GP whatever ngathi no, lo Gauteng province. Now bengine idea if nekhumbula bekune news cafe be strong noma ikhona manje. News cafe enye ama outlet aqale ukusho ukuvula ama franchise. So I said oh Scheme GP ngathi in Gauteng i-brand yami ne-branch izobizwa Scheme GP. But the vision was to have uScheme NW Northwest, uScheme
number plate,
all 9 provinces. I didn't want to have visitors original. I just wanted to be in the provinces. If you remember, their brand is iCubana. iCubana mayikala bengekho lana bese Cape Town, bese Durban, there are only a few like Tashas. So nami lo Scheme GP uqale la ngathi okay i-brand ya East ngiyoshaya nje one ngifune Soweto or kuphi ila ehleli khona, and then we'll have another one KZN, we'll have another one eLimpopo kanjalo. Then suddenly no bengasastopeki wonke umuntu it went viral.
So uScheme ngesikhathi yena intwana bekafuna ukuba yini?
Hey, intwana lezi mazi kucamba manga mhlambe lezi zamanje ngiyazibona sifuna ama porn star nani ngoba ezamanje phela abo mandingo lezi zano ngifuna ukuba time la kwasazi
wabona utshelile istory sakho ubalekile Jimmy bamisile etrailini abaleka untwana
bekuyinkomo
no bekane pressure explainelile ukuthi
no rishapile nyana bona isense nyana
no uqile
mamela ke mina mawuyintwana yodaki age group yethu bangakutshela manga lapha uyobona bo Grootman abotiko kanjalo itsilo ba soccer player le ukuthi doctor wathi uyaphupha ufuna ukuba musician zifike lezi zinto lezi. When I left prison I didn't have an idea ye podcast, but immediately once ngiye ngathi mina I'm fixing my eyes on this thing ngathi le game ngiyasibona le space but angifuni.
When you left sorry to
this was 2016.
Okay,
I left prison 2016. I launched my book in 2017. 2018 ngilo ngizama ukuhlanganisa izinto. 2019 ngithi lento ayikho lento ngiyaspana manje, and then sina only 3 years sirana lento mara bathi maba review abathi number 2 podcast in South Africa, and mele uthole the best people abalazi mawenza into uthami akumelanga wenza ama half matches. When I do something mina I go aggressive. So that is why I'm saying I see labantu abawana be abantu abenza ama skit TikTokers and what uScheme sifuna ubona ukuthi lento yophelela phi nani ngicela nibatheke then bakhumbulele langa ngihleli la kule podcast nibatheke ngicela ukuthi nibakhumbuze the day kuthi wa pre-call impempe libizwa lela gama bangabuyi ba celebrate kuthiwe vele sasha le namasimba sayibona angikokoti lena and akunamuntu ofika phela endlandleni akusukuthi mina ngizalwe kunamabhillion or kunani akuna Grootman ne connection akuna time lami li politician wonke umuntu osekhaya humble as they come umuntu oqala ukuphusha isigebe the first doctor abazo experience in the family kuzoba ile out nina yini bama connection abanye ithi connection indunu they bend
Wana no
Simba
wrong guy. No
na yasebenza phela bayibiza couch casting bawufika le abantu bayaya ubona umuntu uyazibuza ukuthi umuntu ufike kanjani so far so quick beka nje effort sibhekile abo coffee bamile baphusha into zabo sibhekile abo Shimza effort awujabuli mara ubona inja uthi ebheka uthi mara lentwana ukubona mawuthi lentwana mara ube proud now ukuthi lentwana yini ngathi bethi inyoka le emove fast kanje and move
Scheme
jam
also I understand your life obviously has always been in the public eye.
Yeah.
But Konamanje, you are much more exposed and like in the public eye. And obviously coming with that, it comes with a whole lot of losing people along the way, you know, also having to get rid of other people because of how now you're being seen versus who you really are.
Yeah.
How has that been, like the journey of also just having to
the fame?
Now you are like because you are number 2 podcaster in the country.
Yeah. Yes, lendi njani awuthami mabafuna ukuba diplomatic or apologetically but allegedly apparently bese bathi arguably mina ngikhuluma straight angikhulumi lezo zinto lezo angisazi lezo silungu lezo Because mangisho kanjalo sengifuna ukuthi ngikupatronize ukwabona uzazi ukuthi umubi ngithi umuhle kanjani kumele ungitshele wanyela satani ngiyazazi ukuthi ngiugly ungayikhulumi lento so ukungena kwami kule space there's one thing engihlala ngiyijayela on every now and then kunalento esikhuluma sithi purification uyabona le igubhe ezithu uthola amanzi abuye bawuphuze so ngihamba through le process mara emnandi kanjani yami ile wisdom engayiphiwa uThixo angeke wena ngokuthathe bese ngithi kuwe ngizoba umlimi njengama branches ngisusa lama branches engathi wa useless uzozikhipha wena bayangena ku DM ngifaka igrater bizokusika wangena ku DM yami uzingena ngamasimba bakhona bezayo uba unibaza ngom reverse lapha
Sure.
yeah ukubona ukukhuluma ibhari uyibone ibhari no uyibonde ibhari yamampela but now remember arguing with the fool umehluko nokubuya ungabi khona yabo so engeneni kwami kanje lento yami yigoods lento yami first stop ayimi akuna stop ukuthi ngiyoma kuphi 11 I had 22 cars mcha I had containers Celsius and Vodacom everywhere para taxi rank yokele ndawo mini buses angifuni ukubala into eziningi ungayibambi kahle I had 3 houses in the prime suburbs mara ke into ebalekile ngelo underline I lost everything in the process lento esikhuluma ngazo crime proceeds and then life has a way of humbling you down Anthony Hamilton has a song ayicula ngiyayithanda lento because mangibheka lento I'm a very spiritual person so I depend on my podcast if ngivayile ngibizela ichurch bengizokutshela ngithi uthina zungu uthi kwanqaba umusa ubona siphila uThixo avuma ngempilo zethu that's what happened ngempilo yami so ngilwela uNkulunkulu ngilwela already time ngilwela yonke into kimi beyithi chief cela uchief therapy because the world is waiting sifuna abantu abasoba ngoba ngeke uhlakaniphe kanje mawuceda uyofela edanyana uthama mawucedile uyobalwa because amaphupha bayaphelele emathuneni now kuyo yonke lento ngila eMelrose next day uSister uKhanyi makala mina ngihlala ngapha makala makuthiwa lesikhathi awuMandla Mthembu mabapaka ikari lezi eziyelo bara inja yami shout out Sikhanyi supported me through and through ukuhlangana nabo Somsom ukuhlangana nabo Mayite why ngangiduma mangithi lo 27 lo muntu lento ebona yenzakala kini ngishanga phakathi angithi nenzeni manje nivele nayenza lento abayibiza recessions nivuse le hantu eyayimove so when the life moves stops and starts again bayibiza recessions I've got a documentary biza recessions I've inspired uKK Phofolo bekacula le che nalapho ku celebration ialbum yakhe manje ibiza ukuthi recessions I've been helping him ngezinye izinto inja yami so le life emuvayo once kune traffic out yami kukhona ezinye izinto eceleni ongakhona ukuzibamba because kune traffic kuyaduma la fina kunomsindo and when it's dark when it's at night izinto zithula akulabo abathakathi ba move khona bengisetshenzwa abayibo ke manje and ngikhuluma abantu bamampela nora abathakathi ezini usathane ohamba ngomsila neimfene
uthakathaka leka dipilo umuntu ufela utshwareka pili
and there's a distraction ipi njami they'll cheer you to the grave mawuzobona kuba busy hayi mfana aye lo muntu solid
kutungene edanyana and ukhona ukusurvive da they know of Scheme GP but like they do not know of what gave Scheme GP the accolades, the name,
like the weight,
yeah, like Hotman,
yeah. This morning bengenza video ne, kule video ngithi mina mawuzoringa nami, ngcono ube ne qualification yana thize, or mawuzoringa ngami, nawe mkhaya wena ke ngempower, makunomuntu ozofika akhulume ngawe, mele kube khona into ake wa inventor, wa creator, mhlawumbe ukwakhuleka labantu wavusa abantu abafile, kunokufika inja nje uyibona wena nombhedo okulala. But if you can comment just because ufuna ama likes ngawe ufuna ama followers ufuna ukuthi bamthathe ba comment ngaye abantu bakhona ukukhula page so le life yethu akusi audition out yami angisi inospop mina and angibhalanga made in China made in Taiwan or made in Hong Kong I'm a real person so into engizenza into zangempela and manje age senguye ayisangivumeli ukuthi ngiloko ngiyodlala ama dice ngidlala ingedo ngidlala amamabula sengidlala straight life yamampela and kunabantu abakhona mawubabukele ukhona ukubona ukuthi yazi namaHrotman they were very aggressive ngempilo that is why abala bekhona so to build the case yami grand ngifuna ukugaya a clear picture so that by the time singene edanyana u understand bekungena abane ejele first thing mangizongena that week a week before ngedanyana bangishaya front page Sowetan bathi the highest kingpin. In fact, the most money that was stolen in South Africa was stolen by this man. So now, learn to vela bantu pop my eyeballs by buza. So batendo talomunti hasting days are over. Lomchi tabeka busy painting the town red. ngo-7 mawubona imoto emali iwili ichithekile bekuskimbe kachayisa le car. Be that as it may, I'm not here to edify crime or teach people about crime, but ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi when you're up there, people they know you who you are. Wait until you are down. Yoba ngathi usuzile chief, yosala one man. I had an establishment, same lo fanana. First one owafaka ama swimming pool ngagubha umgodi ngafaka amaphule eKatlehong. Same one owashaya i911 iPorsche. Ama seat a10 bengahlala umuntu oweya 60 over 60 kg behlala abantwana bami
Imela koloi
zonke
sebirasa rinamela dihampo man
ngifuna ukuyikhuluma lento ngathi yale ngifuna ukuthi understand ukuthi mawuphila on uthi into zami uthi ngiyaduma understand ukuthi uyaduma uyabona mabukela uMayisola uyaduma lo yamuntu mfethu that is why abantu ukuthi abantu abajava ngathi bayahlanya eceleni kwakhe awuthi yami inyuku yenza into zayo so leso sikhathi umuntu onathi beka uyangibona so iground uyayicontrol direct or indirect leso sikhathi uphethe lichipi ya abantu abamanzi ya makuthiwa ucompromiseile ungena Khalanzino / ushaya ipora yabo lapho ya mara strictly game strictly celeb uyileyo gang angazi uyangithola na so leso sikhathi na only 27 benga 26 turning 27 I had 22 cars mchana I had containers, Celsius and Vodacom everywhere. Para taxi rank yogelen down, minibuses. Angifuna ukubala into eziningi ungayibambi kahle. For you to become another man's wife in prison, chances are very real. Abanye bayafika uthola babeka inkalakatha eVaseline 5 liter, bathi chief yaskolota, uthi bathi uzobhadala, uthi ngani bathi into yokubhadala uhlele phezukwayo. Awuzakunuza.
Vaseline na le 5 liter.
Papa ruthi modi mayona ntate. Ruthi modi mayona re.
Awuna ntweke tshwaba ngo tshwara le trongo.
Wa tsaba Khotman ngopotsa. Khotman a ka sala mputsa gore I think I was turning 21. He's like to me, how old are you turning? I'm turning 21. When I was your age, I was most probably 50.
Yeah.
But like I never understood that thing.
Yeah.
I understand. Yeah. But like as I grew and then as I got to meet some of the challenges in life and like the obstacles whereby a person my age would have not had dealt with that at that time. I was like, yo, okay, ntanga, whatever in age, like frostana, because that's exactly what he said.
Yeah. Na hano na li 15 na li 15.
Mfethu.